மேலும் மேலும் நீ இதை விட நல்லா படிச்சு நல்லா எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் பெருமை சேர்க்கிற மாதிரி நீ செய்யணும். உங்க டாடி மம்மி தாத்தா பாட்டி நம்ம ஃபேமிலிக்கு பெருமை சேர்க்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கணும்.
நல்ல மாதிரி நல்ல பேர் கிடைக்கணும். உன்னால சரிங்களா? நல்ல மாதிரி படிக்கணும். அப்புறம் நல்ல பழக்கங்கள் வேணும். நல்ல பாட்டு பாடு சரிங்களா? எல்லாம் நல்லா
உன்னுடைய நல்ல நீ பழகுற ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுங்களும் நல்லா இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி பிரில்லியண்டா
நல்ல மாதிரி मम्मी डैडी का नाम ऊंचा करने का है. These are our best wishes. God bless you.
Best wishes. God bless.
Hi Shweta.
Many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.
Ragini is twittering Amma. Wish you a very happy and wonderful birthday, Shweta. Have a great year ahead, and we'll all celebrate your birthday with a big cake once the COVID ends, and you have to come down to fly to Mumbai with your entire family. We'll have a great celebration here. Have a wonderful birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday wishes, Shweta, my sweetheart. Shweta means first thing comes to my mind is still my precious gift to me when the doctor gave you to me in my hand. Then all these years you have made us proud parents, and in whatever you do, be it education or extracurricular activities. One thing I should actually tell you that you have been the best mom, showing your care and concern. At the same time, the worst mother-in-law, always showing your anger on me. Anyhow, happy birthday wishes to you. God bless you, and may God shower all His blessings on you all through your life and all the decisions you take in your life. Thank you.
Yeah, Shweta, என்னோட பெட்டுன்னு அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவாங்க சார். எனக்கு பெட்டுங்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்தை தவிர்த்து எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல மதர் சார். ஏன்னா எனக்கு மதரோட அன்பு எனக்கு கிடைக்கல சின்ன வயசில். அதில் வந்து உண்மையிலேயே அதை ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ண அளவுக்கு எனக்கு பொண்ணாக கிடச்சது ரொம்ப பெரிய சந்தோஷம். ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஸ்வேதா. மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஆஃப் டே. தேங்க்யூ.
Hi Shweta, happy birthday. So today we wanted to do something special for you. We were like, what to do? We both were brainstorming, we were thinking, and we thought of writing you a song, creating something unique, something special.
So we came up with this original song which you would have never heard, and we have never done this for anyone also before. So we came to know about this 2 weeks ago, and we quickly started writing the lyrics for it. We created a melody and all of that. So
you be ready with your tissue box and to wipe your tears, because it's going to be phenomenal. Okay, so you ready? We wait for you to grab your tissue box if you want.
Yeah.
You ready? Okay, go.
Here we
3, 2, 1, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shweta.
Happy birthday to you.
You were born in the zoo.
You were born in the zoo with lions and tigers and monkeys like you. I hope you like this original song which we have never written for anyone before.
Really? We haven't written this song. No ways. But all jokes aside now, we would just like you to have a very nice day. We just wanted to put a smile on your face, basically.
Yeah, and we hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a nice birthday. So
bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Shweta.
Have a great year ahead. Be happy. ஸ்வேதா வந்து ரொம்ப மெச்சூர்ட் ஆகிட்ட. நீ எப்போவுமே ரொம்ப மெச்சூர்ட். Now even more matured, very responsible, very pretty. அது ஒரு ஃபுல் பண்டில் ஆஃப் டேலண்ட்ஸ்னா அது ஸ்வேதா தான். எனக்கு அப்படி தான் தெரியும். நீ சின்னதாக இருக்கும் போதுலேருந்து இப்போ வரைக்கும் எனக்கு நல்லா தெரியும். you've grown up to be a very very smart girl. என்ன சொல்கிறது, பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் ஃபார் ஆல் யுவர் ஃபியூச்சர் endeavors. All the best.
Yeah, okay. Happy birthday, Shweta. Have an amazing year. You're now 21, meaning you can go to the pubs and all legally. I'm not sure if you've been doing it otherwise also. And of course, stay the same. Don't change for anyone. Be always jovial, happy. Be the same KD you are, aka 420. எனக்கு உன்னை எப்போலேருந்தோ தெரியும், so I know what and all you've been up to. But of course, you're one of the most talented people, most fun people I know. So don't change. Have an amazing year ahead. Bye bye.
Hi Shweta, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Shweta. Stay blessed and stay happy. Wow, you're turning 21 years old. You're old. Just kidding. Time flies, and stay blessed and stay happy and make mom and dad proud. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Shweta. The most cutest, funniest, smartest person I have ever met in my life. Stay blessed, hearty heart. May God bless you with lots of happiness, more than you deserve.
Hi Shwe. Hope இந்த வீடியோவில் நீ என்னை பார்ப்பேன்னு நினச்சி கூட பார்த்துருக்க மாட்டேன். பட் எனிவேஸ் a little surprise. Happy birthday Shwe. Stay blessed and stay happy as always you are. And be crazy as always. Like அப்போ தான் நான் க்ரேஸியாக இருக்க முடியும். அண்ட் மிச்சதெல்லாம் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வழியாக ஒரு வீடியோ வருது, அந்த வீடியோ நம்ம கிட்ட சொல்லுவேன். அண்ட் ஐ ஹாவ் அ ஸ்மால் சர்ப்ரைஸ் ஃபார் யூ, பட் நீ அதை யாருக்கும் வெளியில் சொல்ல முடியாது. டீல்? பாய், ஸ்டே ஹாப்பி.
Hi bro, many more happy returns of the day. I miss you so much first of all. அப்புறம் வந்து இந்த டைமில் காலேஜ் இருந்ததுன்னா கண்டிப்பாக we have celebrated so much, we have had so much fun. In the quarantine days I am so missing you a lot. And then உன்னை பற்றி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா first of all welcome to adulthood, and secondly you are being such a great friend and such a motive friend. Like எப்பவுமே when I'm getting so down என்னோட ஃபீலிங்ஸாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, என்னோட ஹெல்த்தாக இருந்தாலும் சரி, you have been such a great friend and you have played such a vital role in my life. I couldn't imagine a college life without you. So stay happy, stay blessed, and I miss you a lot, and lots of love, lots of happiness. Miss you.
ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே ஸ்வீ. இனியா பிறந்தநாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். அண்ட் உன்னோட விஷஸ் எல்லாமே ஃபுல்ஃபில் ஆகிறதுக்கு நான் காட் கிட்ட ப்ரே பண்ணிக்கிறேன். அண்ட் ஹாப்பி 21. உனக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்கா, லாஸ்ட் டைம் உன்னோட பர்த்டே செலிப்ரேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. ஆனால் இப்போ எல்லாமே மிஸ் பண்ணுறேன். ஐ மிஸ் யூ ஸோ மச் அண்ட் ஐ மிஸ் யுவர் ட்ரீட். நம்ம எல்லாரும் இந்த டஃப்பான சுச்சுவேஷனை ஹெல்த்தியாக ஓவர் கம் பண்ணிவிட்டு சீக்கிரமாக காலேஜில் மீட் பண்ணணும். அண்ட் ஒன்ஸ் அகேன் ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. பை.
Happy birthday Shweta. Stay happy as always and enjoy your day.
Hi Shweta, happy birthday to you. ஓகேவா, இந்த பர்த்டே வந்து உனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி லாக்டவுனில் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ காலேஜ் வந்து ஏதாச்சும் நான் எதுவும் பண்ணியிருக்க போதில்ல, உன்னை ட்ரீட் கேட்டு சாப்பிட்ச்சிக்கலாம். ஸோ அது மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகேவா, இப்போ இருக்கிற சுச்சுவேஷனில் வீட்லேயே இரு, சேஃபாக இரு, எப்பவும் போல் ஜாலியாக சிரிச்சிட்டே இரு, என்ஜாய் பண்ணு ஜாலியாக. அப்புறம் இந்த பர்த்டேவை வந்து உன்னோட ஃபேமிலி கூட நல்லா செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணு. ஓகேவா, ஐ எம் லக்கி டு ஹேவ் எ ஃப்ரெண்ட் லைக் யூ. அண்ட் ஒன் மோர் திங், அம்மாவை ரொம்ப தொலைப்பாங்க சரியா, அம்மா ரொம்ப பாவம். ஓகேவா, அண்ட் ஒன்ஸ் அகேன் விஷ் யூ மெனி மோர் ஹாப்பி ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் டு ஹாப்பி. ஓகே, பை.
Girl, happy birthday! Finally, someone's 21 now. I'm so happy, dude. I'm really happy for you, dude. Trust me, this is your day. Have fun. I know I'm not there and all, but still, you know, have fun. It's okay. I'll be on video call and we can have fun. But I really miss, dude. I miss Chennai. I miss us, dude. Trust me, it was like yesterday when we actually went to French class and we had so much fun. And all of a sudden, it's like 3 years is gone and I don't even know when we are gonna meet, dude. But I really miss you. I miss Auntie most. You though, okay, but Auntie most. I know you'll slap me if you're seeing this video right now. I know you'll be like, oh my god, where is this girl? But I miss her also so that we can gossip about you. But yeah, I do miss you, dude. You're like my, oh my god. I can't even express it. That's how it is. Like, you are a huge part in my life. Trust me. Maybe this might sound very cheesy to you, but after I went to college, people usually say college mein they'll find so many friends, they'll forget their school friends. It's the opposite for me. I literally started
feeling so much more better that I found you, I found Sonu, I found Ayushi and all. You know, right? There was so much break between us, but then after a point, you made us get along again, and I'm so glad we got back, dude. And it's so nice, trust me. And so I think the major part is you. So you should never change. Be the same, dude. Trust me. So many people need you like this, but you are always mine. Okay, that also is there. I just don't show it, but I'm always like, I need you, and you're always mine. So happy birthday again. Have an amazing day and a year. Always keep smiling and always be this drama queen. I like the drama queen part of you. And yeah, the pretty lady. You are getting prettier day by day. I don't know how. Quarantine time also you're so pretty. I don't know how you're so pretty, dude. Like to make this video, I had to like actually comb my hair and sit. So you should give me a big treat for all of this. It's like huge work for me. Putting all of this eyeliner and sitting is like huge work, and I did that for you. But yeah, so funny. But yeah, dude, it's your day. Happy birthday again. And I really missed that day when I think one of the, I don't know which birthday, we came to your place at night, and we were blowing this. I made this what is that, choco pie. I kept this matchsticks, and we both couldn't even blow it off. That's like one memory that stayed. Always, any birthday comes, I remember that we both couldn't blow it, and we were having so much fun. It was very nice, dude. Like that, those times are something which we have to keep cherishing. Yeah, dude. So have an amazing day. Never change. Just be the same and be there for me, okay, all the time. Oh my god, how selfish am I? But yeah, it's okay. Leo's always rocks, so that's one more common thing between us. There's so much more to talk, but I think I need to see your face, dude. I had so much to tell you, but looking at my face and I'm talking here, I can't even tell things because it's so funny. I will call you and I will talk to you. We have to look at each other and talk. But yeah, have a nice day and a year. And say hi to auntie also, okay? Happy birthday again, dude. I love you so much, and I think you know that already. I don't have to tell you that, but still, just reminding you. Happy birthday, dude. I love you. Have a nice day and a great year, okay? Bye-bye. I love you.
Shweta Akka, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Akka. Happy birthday, Shweta Akka. I'm wishing for all of my friends, Ashmita, Sarnet, Abhishek's brother. Happy birthday.